here I have a thought of the day. What is thought of the day? Thought of the day is a diary quote that gives you a positiveness to start your day. Here is my thought of the day. To give happiness to others is a great act of charity. I repeat once again. To give happiness to others is a great act of charity. I explain, if we are making others happy, that's a great help. Then, if we are giving money, food or anything to others. For example, if we are giving money or food to others and you are talking rudely or harshly, they'll get hurt. In that case, no use of helping in the form of money. For example, if somebody is in trouble, if we talk with them nicely and kindly to get confidence, that's a